Are you tired of waiting for your paycheck to hit your bank account? Ever wished you could get your money a little bit sooner to pay bills or just treat yourself? Well, with Chime, you can. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to use Chime's direct deposit feature to get your money up to 2 days early. It's a game changer, and it's simpler than you might think. The first step is all about finding your account information. You'll need your Chime account and routing numbers. The easiest way to get these is right in the Chime app. Just go to the Move Money section, then tap Set Up Direct Deposit. From there, you'll see your account and routing numbers clearly displayed. You can even tap a button to get a pre-filled direct deposit form emailed to you. How convenient is that? Once you have your information, there are a couple of ways to get it to your employer. The first, and often most straightforward, is to log into your employer's online payroll portal. Most companies have a system where you can update your direct deposit information yourself. Just enter your Chime account and routing numbers, and you're good to go. If your company doesn't have an online portal, you'll need to use the completed form we talked about. You can either print it out and give it to your HR or payroll department, or if they accept digital forms, just email it to them. It's that simple. Now, the waiting game. How long does it take for your first deposit to go through? Typically, after you submit your information, it will take 1 to 2 pay cycles for the change to take effect. In the meantime, you'll likely still receive a paper check. But once it's set up, you can look forward to your pay hitting your Chime account up to 2 days before your official payday. This isn't just about getting paid early. By using direct deposit, you also unlock a ton of other benefits with Chime, like access to their fee-free overdraft feature and the ability to build credit with the Chime Credit Builder card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.